this video is going to be a requested video. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. Now this video is going to be a requested video. Basically under my videos, and as well as I am getting in fact lot of comments to tell you about my after makeup, the removal session or whatever, like after removing what I apply on my skin. A lot of people have requested me what I do to share with you all. So my skincare, or whatever you can say, after makeup removal, it's not a big it's not a complicated process. It's very simple, very easy, and it's only going to be a one brand thing, because I generally don't have time to do all that different products and all apply and all, since you know me, and I am little bit, you can say, but lazy. But whatever products I use on my face, I make it sure it is a good brand, very good, well known brand, as well as the ingredients and all are very good. So the brand which I trust and I do use from quite a long time is basically Bioderma. I am using their Bioderma makeup remover water, that is the micellar H2O micellar water, as well as the gel cleanser, as well as the mucin, that is the autoderm cream. I use this 3 products, and that is all my after makeup removal, that is the makeup removal session altogether is. It's only 3 steps. Now what we will do is I'll just show you how I remove my makeup and all. So I have my all the 3 products. First is there this Bioderma Laboratory Sensibio H2O micellar water. This is the first I think micellar water which is introduced in the makeup industry. I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is the first company to launch the makeup remover, that is a micellar water. And in this they have 2 different variations. One is this pink one, and the other one is I think blue, not blue, green or something, and that is for sensitive skin. This is for normal skin, and anyone can use this particular makeup remover, that is the micellar water. The second product which I use is the Bioderma Autoderm Intensive Gel Mucin. This is their gel mucin. This is retailing for 599 rupees, but this has 200 ml of product, and this product you can use morning as well as in the evening, whenever. It's not only like during the makeup removal, whenever you want to wash your face and you want to just have a clean, soft, supple skin on your face, definitely you can use this product. This is a very good product. I'll tell you each and every benefits and all while applying and while using the product. I'll tell you each and everything. 599 rupees for 200 ml. And the third and the last product is Bioderma Autoderm Cream. It is ultra nourishing cream, repairs, soothes and protects normal to dry and sensitive skin. This is also for normal to dry and sensitive. Even this is for normal to dry and sensitive skin. If you are following me from long time, you know I do have dry skin, and in Bioderma, if you go and check, they have different categories of products. That is, if you have sensitive skin, if you have oily skin, they have different products. If you have dry skin, they have different products. So definitely you will get your own selection, you will get your own choice in this particular skincare, or you can say in this Bioderma range. As well as this is a French skincare brand, so definitely the ingredients and everything are good. And now what we will do is we will just move towards like removing the makeup. What I have right now, we'll just remove it. I'll just take a cotton pad and remove. I've taken my cotton pad. I'll just, actually there's no need to shake, but we'll shake. I'll take little bit of micellar water. Okay, and now I'll remove the makeup. You can see when one swipe, it removes the makeup. You can see the product, and it removes very easily. Now for eyes, I can use the same thing. See, in one swipe it removed the mascara as well as the eyeliner. Now I'll just take little bit like another cotton pad, and I'll remove my lipstick as well, and I'll swipe on my full face, and then I'll remove my lipstick. Okay, now you can see it has already removed the lipstick as well. Now the makeup is removed. What I do is I take the cleanser base. So now what I do is I use this Bioderma Autoderm Intensive Gel Moussant. I'll just tell you the important things. That this features is gently cleanses, as I told you, and after using this particular cleanser I don't feel like my skin is dry or it is itching or something, and I don't feel stretchy or something on my face. It's very lightweight. Since I have dry skin, I do have to keep the cleansers what I'm using on my face. So this is a particular perfect cleanser, and it's specialized body wash for dry and irritated skin. It soothes sensations and discomfort and helps biologically strengthen the skin barrier, relieves itching and all, as I told you everything. 2-3 important things: blocks the penetration of allergens, hydrates the skin, hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, paraben free, fragrance free and soap free. So whenever you apply this, you will feel it is not giving me a, like, it doesn't give you foam. Yes, it doesn't foams or it doesn't lathers too much, but it is very gentle on the skin. Now I'll show you. I'm not sure whether the camera will capture. You can see it is having a gel consistency and it is very liquidy and very runny. Yes, now you can see the skin feels so soft, so supple, and it also maintains the pH level of the skin. That is why you do not feel any dryness or any itchiness. You can see right now I have not applied anything, but still I can feel the skin is like baby skin. It feels that way. Now the last step and the final step in my makeup removal session or makeup removal process is Bioderma Autoderm cream. It is ultra nourishing cream, repairs, soothes and protects normal to dry skin. This also is having 200 ml of product, so 200 ml will last you much longer than normal any other cream and all, and it retails for say 599 rupees. All the buying links and everything will be given in the description box, so not in the description box, it will be pinned in the comment section. So if you want to make your own purchase, you can go ahead and you can make your own purchase. And if you have dry skin like me, I will suggest you, yes, you can go for this. Now I'll show you the texture of this particular cream. You can see it's not very runny, it's not too thick, perfect consistency. So what I like to do is I like to apply in all full face in dots, and then I like to just massage it all over my face. Even this is also fragrance free and all that, alcohol free, paraben free, everything. This is free. So a definitely good skincare brand to invest in. Now if you can see, it is giving me a kind of a glowy finish, a glowy effect on my face. So if you at all you have dry skin, then I will suggest you for dry skin, they, as I told you, they have different products. Dry skin. For oily skin, if you have oily skin, then definitely for oily skin they have different products. So go ahead and you can check for the oily skin. But if you have dry skin like me, this product is, if you can see, I can feel little bit tacky. So it is going to give me a more like nourishing effect for normal, like more than normal as what I get from a normal cream. Now this particular cream creates a healthy barrier, so it retains the moisture in the skin. So that is why I do not feel to have any other moisturizer or any other cream after this particular. It is giving me, you can see now my skin will absorb this and it will give me such a great feeling after applying this that I do not require anything else. Of course, a little bit of lip balm and I'm done for the day. This is what my basic simple skincare routine after makeup removing, or maybe you can say my makeup removal session is. It's only 3 steps, simple, one brand, and that's all. So if you are watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family, ask them also to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to like the video. And if you have any other video request, as I have try to complete this video request, if you have any other video request or maybe video suggestions, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. Also, I'll give you my Insta handle also on the screen. If you are not following me over there, you can follow me over there for some extra content. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.